All right, so let's get started. So what we discussed in the last lecture? Any?
Install the vim editor, ping command use, and vi editor insert save command quit command.
Fine. So yesterday I was talking about uh, a very important concept. We called it as a VI editor, right? So yesterday we were talking about a very important concept. We called it as a VI editor. So what is the purpose of VI editor? Like whenever I am in a whenever I am in a situations where I want to create a new file, create a new file, or if I want to edit a file, that time we are going to use VI editor, correct? So in order to use this VI editor, we have installed the packages and then the VI editor got installed. Now now how to use the VI editor? So I use the command like vi abc.txt, okay, and if the file is exist, it will open that file. If the file is not exist, what it will do? It will create a new file. Then we discuss about in VI editor there are different type of mode are there. So one we called it as insert mode and another mode we called it as a command mode. Insert mode means if I want to go in the insert mode, insert means, so I'll press I, and if I want to go inside the command mode, we will press escape. So insert mode is useful when I want to insert some data. Command mode is like, okay, my insertion is done, now I just want to save a file, I just want to quit a file. For that we are going to use this command mode. Okay, so let us try to understand about the next part. Okay, till now whatever we have discussed, okay, any confusion guys in that, or everything is clear? All good?
Yes, sir.
So I just started. Okay, so let me start the machine. Okay, so I'll just log in here with the help of Learnomat user, and I'll enter my password as Oracle. So I just enter my password. Okay, now what I will do, I'll just open a terminal, right click, open a terminal, and here the terminal got opened. Okay, now the next part. So let's do one thing. Let's say if I just ls-lrt, I can see there is a file called oracle.txt is there. I'm just opening that file. Okay, so I have opened this file and there are two lines are available under this file. Okay, what I will do, I will insert one more line here. So I'll press I and I'm going inside the insert mode. Then I'll insert something like, this is my third line. Okay, so I'll just enter the data and then I'll try to save it. Okay, done. I'll open that file one more time and let's say I'm inserting some more data. When I inserted this data, I got to know that okay, I have made some changes, I have made some mistake. So I don't want to save the file. What I want to do, I want to close this file without saving. We called it as a quit without saving. I want to close this file without saving. So what I will do, I'll just say escape because it is a command. What command? Close one without saving. So colon q exclamation mark, press enter. So if I open that file now, I can see only 3 lines are there. I don't see the 4th line, 5th line, the one which we use, right? Those files are not there now. Those lines are not there. Why it is not there? Why it is not there? Because why it is not there? Because we quit the file without saving the changes. So whenever you want to add something, so I'll go inside the insert mode, I will add it, but I don't want to save it. So I'll say escape colon q exclamation mark, press enter. So the changes what you have done, it is not there. Okay, that is like quit without saving. Next command will be like, let's say I have this 3rd line is there. Okay, 3rd line. Now what I want to do, I want to delete this line, complete line I want to delete. So one way is like you can press D, which is a delete. Okay, you can press delete and it will start deleting that. And if you think that you have made the mistake and you want to do undo, so what you can press U. As soon as you press U, the changes what you have done, it is going to be, the changes what you have done, it is going to be do undo. What it will do? Undo. So whenever you want to do undo, you need to press U. Okay, see, now I'm getting the message like already at the oldest change. If I add something, let's say I added something and I made the mistake, I'll press U and I'll press U. Again, you need to press when you are going to enter U, when you are going to press U, when you are in the command mode. Insert mode is only for insertion of data. When I want to insert, that time only you are going to press I. Now I can say I'm inside the insert mode. I don't want to insert, I'll say escape and U is for undo. So there are 2 things which we have learned now. One is, if I want to quit a file without saving, I'll say colon q exclamation mark. If I want to do undo, I'll press U. Understood everyone? Can you please use the chat option or let me know?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Please
sir.
do that and let me know. Okay, once it is done.
Done, sir.
Is it done, everyone? Okay, fine. Next, now assume a situation that I want to delete this line. Okay, if I want to delete this line, what you'll do, you will press D, which is like you will press delete to delete the line. Okay, so I'm deleting this line. If I want to do undo, I'll press U and it will get undo. Okay, now let's say I want to delete this complete line without pressing delete, so I'll say double D, double D, double D, double D. If you want to do undo, you will press U and it will be undo. So double D is to delete that line, but which line? Which line? Where the cursor is available. Where the cursor is available. Did you get my point, everyone? Where the cursor is available. So
Yes,
D is
sir.
for delete. Okay, double D you need to press. One more thing, like let's say I'm inserting one more line. I am in fourth line. Okay, let me save it. So when I'm opening it, where is my cursor? In the last line. Okay, where is my cursor? In the last line. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Let me check. So you assume a situation that currently my cursor is on the top level, where we have a file and on the top line my cursor is there. Many times, we are in a situations where I want to open a file. I want to open a file, but my cursor should be in the bottom. Like sometime I want to open a file, but I need to see the last content. I don't want to see the top content. So that time you can use Shift G. As soon as you press Shift G, your cursor will go in the bottom. Shift G. And if you want your cursor to come on the top level, you can press small g, small gg. Okay, so whenever you want to go to the top of the file, you need to press gg. Whenever you want to go to the bottom, you need to press Shift G, so it will come in the bottom. Whenever you want to delete a line where the cursor is there, you need to press DD. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do that and let me know once it is done. So these are all VI editor command, guys. Okay, the things which we are learning till now, these are all VI editors command only.
Done, sir.
Is it done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, sometimes we are in a situations where I need to find something. Like, see, um, if you see here, okay, I'll take one more example. I'll write down some content. Linux is good for DBA. Okay, DBA. So I'm just adding this content. Okay, let me open that. Now what I want to do, I want to search with Linux. I have opened the file and assume that this file is very big. So when you have a file which is very big, okay, normally you need to find some keyword. So I want to find a keyword like Linux. I want to find a keyword with the name Linux. Okay, let me change that. I think I have made the mistake here. This Linux, right? See, so I'll say like this. Save it. So whenever I want to search or whenever I want to search a particular keyword like Linux, and let me add one more time here. Third line in Linux. Okay. So how many Linux we have now? 3, right? Now when I want to search a Linux, I'll say slash and the keyword, see here, and press enter. So my cursor is going to the keyword like Linux now. And now what I want to do, I want to go back, right? I want to go back. So I'll press N. Can you see here? And you can say Shift N also if you want to come down.
सर टर्मिनल ओपन करो ना.
Which terminal?
वो टर्मिनल छोटा हो गया, मिनिमाइज दिखता नहीं, टर्मिनल पे दिखता नहीं.
तो अभी कहाँ पे फिर लिखा?
वो मिनिमाइज हुआ है तुम्हारा टर्मिनल, वो दिखता नहीं वहाँ पे.
Can you guys see this, guys, others?
Yeah, we can clearly see
Yes,
this.
sir.
No problem.
Yes, yes.
So whenever I want to go to the next now, so I'll say N. N means next Linux. See, let's say I have a lot of Linux are there. So I'll press small n. And whenever I want to go direction, means opposite you want to go, so you say shift
Sir,
n.
repeat this. Sir, repeat this.
Let me show you one here. So what I'm trying to do, first of all, I'm trying to search a keyword. Okay, what I want to do, I want to do search a keyword. So whenever I want to search a keyword, I'll press slash and I will enter the pattern. Pattern means what I want to search. I'll press enter. Okay, and then press enter. Now I want to search in the, like, we have a multiple Linux are there, right? We have a multiple Linux. So whenever I want to go to the next Linux, I'll press N, small n. And let's say I want to go back. I want to go back means the previous Linux. So I'll say shift n. Shift n means basically your capital N. That is your N. Shift plus N. So that is like going back. See, let's say I have Linux here. First line, then third line. So it is like first Linux, third Linux, and fourth Linux. Okay. So first of all, it will find this Linux, then this Linux, and this Linux. Because I have multiple Linux are there. That is the reason we need to go next. In VEditor also we do the same thing, right? Let's say I'm opening this VEditor. I want to search with, let's say, I want to search with release. So a lot of releases are there, right? Here. So what I'll do, I'll say Control F, release. next, 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 next. So this is like N. If I want to go back, I'll press Shift N. I'll press Shift N. Let me show you here. See, I'm saving this file. Now, where is my terminal? Here. I want to search with Linux. Linux. So press enter. I want to go to the next Linux. So I'll say N, N. I want to go back. Shift N, like that. Clear na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So try this. Okay. So this is also mainly useful when you want to search a keyword in vEditor. Whenever you want to do search a keyword. Let me know once it is done.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, that you enter that pattern, na? You go to that last line. How you go to?
See, you need to slash, let's say Linux, press enter. Okay. So I got my first Linux. I want my second Linux. So I'll press N, small n. See,
No, that pattern you written at the last, na? How you went there?
here na, here it will come automatically as soon as I press slash na, the pattern automatically it will come in the bottom.
Okay.
See, all your commands will be written here only automatically. Okay, let's say I say colon WQ anything na, it will be written there only.
In command mode, it goes to last line only.
Correct.
Okay.
Let me know once it is done, guys.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. See, sometimes we are in a situations where I need to replace the keyword, correct? Replace na. Replace means, let's say I have a Linux is there in my that file. I want to replace Linux with, let's say, DBA, okay? Or let's say I want to replace this Linux with Oracle. I want to replace it. So wherever the Linux is there, I want to replace it with Oracle. That's what I want to do. So that is also possible in vEditor. How? Colon percentage as what you want to replace. I want to replace Linux with Oracle. Colon percentage yes, I want to search a Linux and then replace with Oracle, and then press enter. Can you see wherever the Linux was there, now it got changed to Oracle. If you want to save the changes, you can say colon WQ, and if you don't want to save the changes, you will say undo. You got my point, everyone? Let me repeat it one more time. Whenever I want to search a Linux and replace with Oracle, so I'll say colon percentage s, what I want to search, Linux with Oracle I want to replace, and press enter. But this is not a permanent change. You need to save that file. If I save, then that Linux is permanently replaced with Oracle. How it is? Colon percentage yes, I want to replace Oracle with Linux, and then G in all the occurrence. Everyone understood?
Sir, G is for what?
All the occurrence. All the occurrence means I have multiple times here na Oracle in all the lines. Okay.
Okay.
And G is for okay. See, there are two things are there. One is percentage yes. Percentage yes means all the occurrence. Let's say I have Oracle, Oracle, Oracle 3 times are there. What if I have Oracle? What if, just take an example, I have Oracle 2 times here. In the same line, I have Oracle 2 times. Okay. Now, if I don't use G, it will replace first Oracle, but it will not replace second Oracle. You got my point, everyone? G is for replace Oracle in that line. If we have multiple times also, then also it will replace. Let me show you. See this second Oracle, okay? Let's see this second. So I'll say percentage yes. Percentage yes means in all the line. In all the line, if you have Oracle, replace with Linux, but multiple occurrence also. Multiple occurrence means, let's say I have Oracle 2 times. If I don't use G, what will happen? Only first Oracle will get replaced. Did you get my point, everyone? See here. Can you see Linux got changed 2 times? Is it clear? And if I don't use that by any chance, let's say if I say percentage yes, I want to replace Linux with Oracle, then if I don't use G, then can you see here? This one has not changed. Only first one got changed. This one. Only first occurrence got changed, not the second one. Did you get my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So how
So
to
if
do
you
that?
want to change the last one Linux, then
Percentage yes. Then what is that? Old value, new value, okay, and G, okay. Clear now, everyone? Try this and let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done, guys. Okay.
sir. Okay, sir. Yeah, hi.
Just tell me.
Yeah, entire text replacement G required, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Let's see one more thing. Okay, so these are all like the frequently used commands are there in vi editor. Likewise, we have multiple commands are there. Okay, so many commands are there. But again, yes, these are the one which we normally use in real-time production environment. Whether you are becoming DBA or data engineer or any technology, these commands are very useful when it comes to the DBA side. Okay, now okay, one more command I want to tell you, not specific to the so we got to know in the last lecture, like how we can create a file, right? Now assume a situation that the file which we have created, I want to open that file. So I'm going to talk about the way how you can open a file now. Open a file. Okay. See, if you want to open a file, there are multiple ways are there. We can use VI editor to open a file. There is one more command is there. We call it as a cat command. Cat command also you can use. So how it works, right? See, just take an example.
Touch.
I want to open a file, so I'll use the command like cat oracle.txt, and the file is getting opened over here. See, the file is getting open on the terminal. The complete file is getting opened. Okay, what do you see? I have a file with the name oracle.txt, and the complete file is getting opened over here, oracle.txt. Okay, the complete file is getting opened, but it is getting open on the terminal only. Okay, remember that. See, normally VI editor, what it does, it open a file in his own pop-up, like just like we have a notepad now. It is opening a file, and if you close it, then it is not taking a space of your terminal basically. So cat command, what it does, it takes the space of your terminal. So cat is more preferable when you have less content is available. Like let's say I have 5, 10, 20 lines are there, you can use cat. But when you want to edit a file and you don't want to take a space from your terminal, use VI editor. Use VI editor. But when you use VI editor, there is a chances that you may make a mistake, like you can edit a file also. Okay, so be very careful. Cat command is mainly useful when you want to open a file, but if it is a small file, then it is more recommended. Let's say I have 1000 lines. So what will happen? All that 1000 lines will get open here only. All that 1000 lines, it will get open here only. That is a problem. Okay. So apart from this, there is one more command is there, but in order to understand about that command, what I will do, I need some content, so I'll open the Firefox. Okay, the Firefox you need to open from your browser only. So let me open that Firefox. So we can see there is a Firefox is mentioned over here. Let me open that and let me add some content. Okay, so I got this Firefox. We have some privacy policies are there. Okay, I'll just copy that privacy policies. Okay, so what I will do, okay, let me open that. I'll copy this content. I'll simply copy this content. Okay, how to copy, just select that and paste it under this oracle.txt. Insert. I'm just inserting some content. Okay, last line, something like this. Okay. So if I want to open this big file, but I don't want to open a complete file, I want to open the last 10 lines or last 2 lines I want to open. So in that case I can use the command like tail -2 oracle.txt. When I use this tail command, it has opened my last 2 lines, but you might have like this is a blank line was there na. So this is the last line, the one which I added, and there is no content in that because it is blank space is there, so it will consider as a line. So whenever you want to open a file, but I just want to open last lines, okay, last 2 lines, so I'll say tail -2 and oracle.txt. If you want to open last 10 lines, so you'll say 10 something like that, that last 10 lines has been opened over here. So you might have a question like this doesn't looks like a 10 lines, right? Because when I do the copy paste now, so when I'm doing a copy paste, that time it is considering it as a single line because of this copy paste issues. Okay, but if I press, because I copied it from the Firefox now, so formatting is a problem here. But whenever you want to open the last 10 lines, 2 lines, you can use the command like tail. Similar way, when you want to open head, what is head? The top lines. So I'll say -2 and your file name. So see here, can you see the first 2 lines which we created manually? I'm in Learnomet session, I'm in Oracle class. So whenever you want to open the top line, use head command. Whenever you want to open last line, tail command. Whenever you want to open a complete file, cat command. Whenever you want to edit a file via editor, there is one more command is there, more command. See what more will do, it is opening the file 8% now. Like initially it is opening 8%. If I want to go next, I'll press enter, 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 and slowly you can read this file. Slowly you can read this file. What is that command? More command. What is that command? More. So we discuss about via editor. You can open a file or you can edit. Cat command, open on terminal directly. Then tail command, bottom lines, and then we have head command. Head hyphen to file name. The file name, let's say abc.txt. What is the syntax? Tail hyphen to tail hyphen to abc.txt. Cat directly file name, and vi editor vi file name. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Fine na everyone, able to understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that and let me know once it is done. Okay, let's do that and let me know once it is done. What do you need? What you said?
Tail hyphen F.
Tail hyphen F will be useful when you want to see the live changes from your file. Okay, like let's say I have a log file and that log file is continuously getting updated. So if you want to see the live changes which are coming in that file, you can use tail hyphen F.
Okay.
Tail hyphen F and file name. Tail hyphen 100
got it.
if you say, so last 100 line you will be able to see. Okay.
Sir, can you please repeat?
See what is the problem with the cat command, guys? Let's say cat command or any command. Let's say if I open a file, but in the background someone is making the changes. Can you see that changes? See, I have opened this file. See, let's say I have opened this file and same file someone has opened because it is a server. Na? Same file someone has opened. So if someone has opened this file, can I see that changes? If I want to see that changes, what I need to do? I need to close that file and I need to open that file again. Do you know this thing? Did you get my point? Yes or no? What I'm trying to say. If the same file is opened by someone, or if someone is making the changes into this file, what I need to do? I need to open that file again. Then I can see that new changes. But if you use tail command, tail command, what it will do? Tail hyphen 100F. When you use this command, you can see the live changes. Tail hyphen 100F file name. So under that file, if someone is making that changes, now last 100 line we can see. I'll show you this practically as soon as we are starting with Oracle DBA. Right now I do not have any log file which is getting updated, but in Oracle DBA I'll show you that. This command, okay? This command we are going to see. But if you don't use F, it will show you only the last 100 line, okay? But it will not show you the live changes which are coming into this file if you don't use F, okay? Please do that and let me know once it is done, okay? We'll discuss. See, all the syntax are quite simple only. More is also same. How? More file name. And if you want to see the next, press enter. Keep pressing enter. Okay. Is it done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, complete this, guys. Okay, I have sent the screenshot in your group. Okay, so you can finish it. Okay,
Sir, how to delete a directory?
delete a directory. Did we discuss in the class till now? No, we'll discuss. rmdir is the command, or rm space rf you can use.
Yes, sir.
Fine, guys, let's connect tomorrow and we'll see the next part of Linux on the same time. Now tomorrow is, what is the day? Tomorrow is
Friday.
Friday.
Friday now. Okay, so
Friday.
so the things which we have learned from last 1 week now, you guys can repeat it, go through the recordings, try to see. If you face any challenges, check with the support team. And from Monday again we will continue with the next commands of Linux operating system. Okay, fine, thank you for
Sir.
hmm.
Sir, you laugh more time on YouTube lecture.
कौन सा?
You laugh more time in YouTube lecture.
मतलब
Please. You laugh here. Your smile is so pretty, sir.
वो साला हिंदी वाला क्लास होता है ना, इधर ये इंग्लिश में लाप नहीं निकलती.
Thank you, sir.
हिंदी वाला बैच कब से स्टार्ट होगा?
हिंदी already started, like I think we started yesterday only.
ऑनलाइन
Online live we don't, like it's a live only, but we have a timings like 3 p.m. IST. Okay, so those people who want to join Hindi class, they can join Hindi class also, but it is in the afternoon. Okay, afternoon 3 o'clock, and that we have started I think 2 days back. 2 days back we have started. Okay, okay.
हमने यूट्यूब के अंकुश सर देख के आज ज्वाइन किया.
Oracle DB बैच है सर.
Oracle DB का ही वो कौन सा बोल रहे हो?
सर Oracle DB की अभी कोई बैच हो तो सर.
Oracle डायरेक्टली Oracle DB का क्या? डायरेक्ट Oracle DB का थोड़ा टाइम, डायरेक्ट टाइम लगेगा. थोड़ा SQL Linux पढ़ाते उधर, फिर उसके बाद में होगा, एक आधे महीने के बाद, क्योंकि वो कल परसों ही चला. Oracle DB अपना यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हो जाएगा अपना. और अभी ये दिवाली भी है ना, दिवाली के बाद में होगा, तो लेट्स सी. ओके, चलो ओके, मिलते मंडे को. ठीक, तो इफ यू गाइज आर इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन जॉइन दिस ऑफलाइन हिंदी बैच ऑल्सो. ओके, बट अगेन द टाइमिंग यू नीड टू सी, इट इज इन द आफ्टरनून 3 o'clock. ओके, थैंक्स गाइज, बाय.